Hey guys, Danny here. Before we get into this video, I'd just like to say thank you for the support on my previous two videos, and I'd like to also thank you and welcome those who have subscribed. Today's video is going to be a short tutorial on how to massively reduce video file sizes with minimal impact to the video quality using a program called Format Factory. We're going to be formatting a video from around 2.5 GB to less than 300 MB, meaning we're reducing to around 10% of the original file size. So whether you use this to free up some space on your system storage or just to enable you to have quicker upload times to YouTube or other social media sites, it's definitely worth the watch. At the end of the video there will also be a side-by-side comparison of the results of the video file before and after being formatted. You will first need to install Format Factory. The download for this will be in the video description. Once done, open Format Factory and drag the file you would like to format into the blank area on the right hand side. You will then be prompted to select the type of file that you'd like to format the file to. In this demonstration we're going to format to MP4. To view or change the settings to the preset, select Settings. From here, you can then select the drop down to choose a preset that suits your needs, or you can manually change each item yourself. In this case, we're going to leave it as optimum quality and size. Click OK, check the output folder location. You can change this if needed. Once done, select OK, Start. The file will then be processed and you'll be notified once completed. And there you go guys, so we've been able to massively reduce the file size of that video with minimal impact to the video quality. So if you guys found this video useful at all, please consider leaving a like rating and also subscribing. And if you have any questions, let me know by commenting down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.